And so by curveball, I'm speaking on my cousin, who was like a brother to me. He passed away on his 36th birthday, November 19th, 2018. It was a very difficult time because it was so unexpected, and it was so many layers to just me finding out. First of all, I lost someone who was very close to me, the very first person in my life in my 40s. So when you go 40 plus years and you've never lost anybody that was really, really close to you, you don't know how to process that. You don't know how to handle that. And I'm not speaking for everybody. I'm speaking about me. And so literally his death was very hard for me. In 2019, I went through a very deep, dark depression. I almost lost everything. Like when I say everything. So yeah, days upon days, of crying in the bed, not getting out the bed, not wanting to talk to anybody. Like I could just go on and on about how difficult the grieving process was for me. And even to this day, I still have my days, right? But I made a promise to him, that I would work harder at, not allowing my sadness to overcome. And so I'm very thankful that in 2020, I took the entire year to kind of figure out exactly what I wanted to do. I did a lot of research. I wanted to market and share a Bitcoin opportunity because literally I know Bitcoin is life-changing. It was life-changing for me. When I first found out about Bitcoin, one Bitcoin was like $1,100 and something, which was my mortgage payment, right? And today one Bitcoin is like literally sitting right at $60,000. Do you know? So if you would have did an opportunity with Bitcoin back in 2017 and made, let's say, $40,000, right? That same amount of Bitcoin today would be over $1 million. That is how powerful Bitcoin is. So when you see something like that and you look at all these other opportunities like network marketing companies that pay you, small percentages on hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of customers, my mindset is just like, I always have been like, whenever I look at an opportunity, how much is this going to pay me? Because it takes the same amount of time, effort, and focus to build any business, right? So if I'm going to build a business, I need to build a business that's going to pay me very well. So when I look at Bitcoin and what it does and how it has, changed so many lives, including mine, that's what my focus is, right?